Good boy. Come on. Very good.
Good boy. Look at Jake doing agility on the A-frame. Whoa, and he gets contact in the yellow. What a good boy.
Definitely likes this stuff.
Let's see if he'll do it for us one more time.
Good boy. He's very motivated. See, he doesn't like that side as well. Good boy.
Good boy.
Very
Yay, that was beautiful. Nice job. Good boy, Jake.
So much better. Definitely.
Is he going to go for another time? Or are we going to...
He's running now.
Oh my goodness, now he's moving. Whoa, what a good boy.
I guess he really likes it.
Such a good kitty. Well, that raw chicken food is good motivation for him.
He's definitely motivated. Come on. Good boy. Come on.
And look at him go.
Good
Wow, pretty awesome.
Good boy, Jake.
Good job, Jake.